Imagine waking up in your favorite pajamas, sipping a hot cup of coffee, and enjoying the view from your living room window as you prepare to start your workday. Sounds idyllic, right? This is the reality for many who have embraced the world of remote work, transforming virtual opportunities into substantial income. In today's interconnected world, a digital revolution has opened up countless pathways to financial freedom from the comfort of your home. The shift to remote work has rapidly accelerated, especially in recent years. But what exactly are the secrets to turning virtual jobs into real cash? First, let's consider the vast array of fields now thriving online. From graphic design and content creation to software development and customer service, diverse job roles have embraced the remote model. These opportunities mean that whether you're a tech guru or a creative professional, there's likely a virtual role perfect for you. Of course, like any traditional job, excelling at remote work requires certain skills. Effective communication becomes paramount when your team is scattered across the globe. Tools like Zoom and Slack help maintain connectivity, but your ability to convey clear and concise messages ensures your success. Equally important is time management. Without a fixed office environment, setting boundaries and sticking to a schedule boosts productivity and prevents burnout. One might wonder how salary scales compare to traditional in-office jobs. Surprisingly, many remote positions offer competitive, if not higher, pay due to reduced operational costs for employers. Additionally, freelancers or independent contractors can explore platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where diverse projects can turn passion into profit. So, is it possible to harness the power of remote work and transform it into tangible financial success? Absolutely. The landscape of remote opportunities is vast and ever-evolving, paving the way for those ready to seize it. As technology continues to bridge the gap between virtual and reality, remote work stands as a promising frontier for both employers and employees worldwide. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.